Hello guys! Hello mga karabs! Welcome to my channel again. So, nag-video ako today para ma-share ko yung mga gift set ng Thanksgiving gift na natanggap ko sa company namin. So, first one and the second one. So, the last time na nakatanggap ako ng gift set is that was New Year or Lunar New Year here in Korea. Tapos the second time is Labor Day if I'm not mistaken. And then this is my third time na makatanggap ng gift set. So ito pala guys is yung the first box is yung hindi ko alam kung ano to. Basta seaweed siya. Seaweed. So ayan. Or roasted lava with olive oil. Yun lang yan. Actually, ilang praso to? 4 pieces ng ganoon. Tapos ito yung box. Tcharan! And then the second one, the last time na I received sa New Year or Lunar New Year was a spam. So this time around is hello, it's tuna. So, unboxing tayo ng tuna. Paano ba i-unbox? Tangi. Hindi siya na-unbox. Anong meron? May tape. Tangers lang na. Yan, yun na. Minsan lang magiging tanga. At ang sarap ng magiging tanga. Paminsan-minsan, no? Diba? Tingnan nyo. Oh, shucks. So, may tape pala siya kabilaan. So, charan! With this, charan! Hindi ko na kaya. O, diba? O, saan ka pa? So, once again, thank you sa company na nagbigay ng 3, 6, 9, 12 spam, tuna, I mean, and 4 pieces for hindi ko alam kung pieces, hindi siya pieces. 2, 4, 6, 8 sa 1 pack, and there are 4 packs in 1 gift set. So yun na yun, kayo na yung mag-total, basta yun lang yun. Na-share ko lang para may makita ako soon pag nakauwi na ng Pinas as a remembrance. So, diba? Share ko lang. Thank you guys. Mama Chuchu. Enjoy your Thanksgiving holidays. Bye-bye!